the feminine rising. Yeah. We are experiencing a recalibration within the whole collective, where we are circling back around to some forgotten ancient wisdoms that existed within what we would attribute to the feminine, right? We attribute the moon to the feminine, the sun to the masculine, but they are available to all. In the same way, qualities that we attribute to the masculine or to the feminine are available to all. What is really happening that we're all talking about with the feminine rising is a recalibration of valuing both what is the masculine traits and what we consider to be the feminine traits. The healing arts, intuitive nature, that life-giving creativity, the nurturing. These are qualities, human qualities, divine qualities. And as we are circling back around, it is a very exciting time to be on the planet, to see this harmony. This may be the first time in millennia that we are actually going to see these two forces both honored and actually working supportively together. And so as you are looking to get in touch with your feminine, there is a mantra. It was one of the first mantras I learned years ago from my yogi teacher, and it is the Lakshmiyay. It is a mantra to Lakshmiyay. Lakshmiyay is a Hindu goddess who represents the feminine, the divine feminine beauty, the generosity of that feminine energy. She is something that we can almost to look to and aspire to, as we do with all our mythology and our gods and our goddesses. Whether you believe in their actual existence or not, it doesn't matter. We can still dial in that energy by aligning with that symbol of that which we want more in our life. So as we're dialing in more feminine, Lakshmiyay is a powerful resource, a powerful mantra to chant. And it's something that actually I started chanting and fell in love with this chant and have a friendship and a relationship to this chant. And it was interesting, I had a tarot card reading a few years ago, and the card reader stopped and just said, she turned over the Lakshmiyay card and felt very strongly that Lakshmiyay was with us. And I just said, well, of course, I've been chanting to her a lot lately. And so, again, whether this is just the guru that we speak of anytime we chant, whether we say Waheguru, it is that which brings us to the light. That guru brings us to the light, and you can define that God source however you want to, in all the play within consciousness. All the different ascended masters and teachers that come through are here to aid us, to help us, right? Whether it be in myth, in story, or in truth of their existence. So, Lakshmiyay. Om Shri Maha Lakshmiyay Swaha. That is the chant. I'll say it again slower, and then we're going to sing it. Om Shrim Maha Lakshmiyay Swaha. Om Shrim Maha Lakshmiyay Swaha. Swaha is something I say after a lot of my prayers anyways. Swaha is to send it up on high. Okay? So that's what we're doing here. We're saying Om Shri Maha, oh divine feminine beauty, Lakshmiyay, that which can well up within all of us, that divine feminine source. It's this loving adoration, this awe. Om Shri Maha Lakshmiyay Swaha. So now let's sing it, shall we? All right, let me set this down. Om Shri Maha Lakshmiyay Swaha. Om Shri Maha Lakshmiyay Swaha. Om Shri Maha Lakshmiyay Swaha. Om Shri Mahalakshmiyay Swaha. Om Shri Mahalakshmiyay Swaha. Om Shri Mahalakshmiyay Swaha. Om Shri Mahalakshmiyay Swaha. Swaha, Swaha. Yeah, Om Shri Mahalakshmi Swaha. May that feminine rise within you. Sat Nam.